Hey foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making cornmeal pudding, and here I have all the ingredients that I'll be using. I hope y'all enjoy! Bam bam! Boodadoop, we're back at it again. So guys, first you want to sift all your dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. So like your cornmeal, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and flour. You're going to whisk them together until it's combined evenly. Once you're finished, you want to then go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then grease a regular 10-inch baking pan. But if you're using a spring farm baking pan like me, then you don't necessarily have to grease your pan. For grease, you can use butter or vegetable oil, and I use a 10-inch baking pan as well as a 6-inch baking pan. Then in a medium pot on medium heat, you're going to go ahead and add your coconut milk, brown sugar, vanilla extract, and some people add butter to this. You could do that, like 1 stick of butter, but I chose not to. You're going to mix until the sugar is dissolved and it is heated but not boiling. The next step is to add white rum or dark rum to the warm liquid and stir it. But this is optional, so you don't necessarily have to add any alcohol to your mixture. Then you're going to pour little by little the warm liquid into the dry ingredients and mix it well with either a spoon or a whisk, and you're going to continue mixing it for a few minutes to make sure that there are no lumps and it is smooth. Once you're finished whisking or mixing it and you ensure that there are no lumps and it is smooth, you want to then go ahead and pour your mixture into your baking pan. If you're wondering why I wrap my baking pan, it's because with the Spring Farm baking pan, when you pour liquid into it, it usually leaks into your oven, and I really don't like that. So in order to prevent leakage, if you're using a Spring Farm baking pan, you want to wrap it. Next, you want to add it to your oven and bake for 20 minutes. And in the meantime, you can go ahead and mix together the ingredients that you're going to use to make the soft top. So like your coconut milk, your sugar, and your cinnamon powder. After the 20 minutes, you're going to go ahead and pour the soft top mixture over the batter and bake for 60 minutes. And this will cause the top of the pudding to be soft while the bottom will be firm. After the 60 minutes, you're going to go ahead and remove from the oven and let it cool for about 30 minutes if you want. Or you could go ahead and eat it right away. Removing the outer rim of the spring from the baking pan will make it easier for you to slice. So if you're using a Spring Farm baking pan, you could go ahead and remove the outer rim from it. But if you're using a regular pan, then I would suggest letting it cool in the pan before you cut it. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.